Plant FAQs, Begonia sinuata. All about Begonia sinuata, a sparkling jewel in the begonia family. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm a passionate plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the captivating Begonia sinuata. This unique begonia, also known as the sparkling begonia, has stolen a place in my heart and greenhouse, with its stunning looks and intriguing characteristics. Today, I'm here to answer all your burning questions about this little gem. So, whether you're a seasoned plant collector or a curious newcomer, dive in and discover the wonder of Begonia sinuata. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia sinuata? Begonia sinuata belongs to the vast and diverse begonia family, known for their vibrant flowers and captivating foliage. This particular species boasts captivating crinkled leaves, earning it the Vietnamese nickname La Mio, which translates to wrinkled leaf. But don't let the name fool you. The intricate folds and ripples on its leaves add a touch of elegance and visual interest. Native to Southeast Asia, specifically regions stretching from Bangladesh to Sumatra, Begonia sinuata thrives in the warm, humid embrace of wet tropical biomes. Interestingly, it can grow as an epiphyte, meaning it often perches on other plants or trees for support, rather than rooting directly in soil. Begonia sinuata versus other begonias. What makes it special? The world of begonias is a treasure trove of variety, but Begonia sinuata stands out in a few key ways. Leaf texture. The crinkled, textured leaves are a signature feature, setting it apart from begonias with smoother foliage. Epiphytic growth. Its ability to thrive as an epiphyte adds a unique element to your plant collection, offering interesting display options. Potential rarity. Begonia sinuata's status as critically endangered in Malaysia, according to the Malaysia Plant Red List, makes it a conversation starter and a plant worth cherishing. How to care for Begonia sinuata. Begonia sinuata, like most begonias, flourishes with proper care. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun that can scorch the leaves. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Humidity. As a tropical native, Begonia sinuata thrives in high humidity. Consider using a humidifier or placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water. Watering. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. Soil, a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for begonias, is ideal. Fertilizer. During the growing season, a light application of balanced fertilizer every few weeks can be beneficial. Propagation, sharing the sparkling magic. The beauty of Begonia sinuata is meant to be shared. Here are two common propagation methods. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a short petiole, leaf stalk. Plant it in a moist, well-draining medium and maintain high humidity. New growth should emerge in a few weeks. Stem cuttings. Take a non-flowering stem with a few nodes. Remove the lower leaves and plant the stem in a similar medium to leaf cuttings. Keep the soil moist and provide warmth for successful rooting. Common problems and solutions. Keeping your Begonia sinuata sparkling. Even the most attentive plant parent can encounter challenges. Here are some common issues and solutions to keep your Begonia sinuata thriving. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or low humidity. Adjust your watering routine and consider using a humidifier. Leaf spotting. Fungal diseases can cause spots. Isolate the plant, remove affected leaves, and improve air circulation. If severe, use a fungicide. Pests. Mealybugs, aphids, and spider mites can be occasional visitors. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil solutions. Begonia sinuata, a rewarding addition to your plant family. Begonia sinuata, with its captivating crinkled leaves and epiphytic nature, is a unique and rewarding addition to any plant collection. By providing the right environment and care, you can witness the sparkling beauty of this begonia unfold, adding a touch of elegance and intrigue to your space. So, are you ready to welcome this little gem into your plant family?